Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today we're diving into an Allegiant app review to explore its features, pros, cons, and whether it's truly worth your time. Allegiant, a popular ultra-low-cost airline, offers an app that promises convenience for booking flights, managing trips, and more. But does it live up to expectations? Let's break it down. The Allegiant app is designed to make traveling easier, with features like flight booking, checking flight statuses, and managing your Allegiant account all in one place. It's available for both iOS and Android, making it accessible to a wide range of users. The app is user-friendly, with a simple interface that's easy to navigate. You can book flights, choose your seats, and even purchase extras like bags or priority boarding. It also allows you to view your itinerary, track your flights in real time, and access your boarding pass. One of the standout features is the ability to store your payment details for faster future bookings. For frequent Allegiant travelers, the app also includes features like personalized offers and travel reminders, making it easy to plan future trips. The app's notification system is another helpful tool, alerting you about any flight changes or delays, so you're always in the loop. However, like most apps, Allegiant's app does have some drawbacks. Some users report issues with the app freezing or crashing, especially after updates. While the app works well for booking flights and managing bookings, it's missing some of the features other airline apps have, like in-flight entertainment options or an integrated loyalty program. User reviews on the App Store also show mixed reactions. While many appreciate the app's ease of use and convenience, others mention that the app could be more polished, with occasional glitches or slow load times. Some users feel the design is a bit too basic compared to other airline apps, which offer more advanced features and sleek interfaces. So, is the Allegiant app worth it? If you're a frequent Allegiant flyer who values simplicity and speed, then it's a useful tool. The app does its job in terms of booking, managing flights, and tracking real-time updates, but it lacks some of the bells and whistles found in other airline apps. If you're just looking for a basic flight management app, it's a solid choice. However, if you're looking for something with more advanced features, you may want to explore other options. In conclusion, the Allegiant app is a solid tool for booking flights and managing travel. Its ease of use and essential features make it a convenient option for those who fly frequently with Allegiant, though it may not offer the complete experience some other airline apps provide. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.